Hi, we are going to see June 2015 P1 Edexcel question paper, particularly question number 10. Question number 10 is calculus, differentiation, integration. Okay, question number 10 is a curve with equation y equal to f of x pass through 4, 9. F dash x equal to 3 root x by 2 minus 9 by 4 root x plus 2. A is find f of x. B is the normal to the curve at P is parallel to 2y plus x equal to 0. Find x coordinate of P. Okay. First we are going to, both are 5 marks. So 5, 10 marks question. Very easy to find out. Okay. F dash x is given. They are asking f of x. What we have to do? We have to integrate. Okay. F dash x. What is f dash x? First make it 3 root x. You do it 3x power of 3 by 2 x power of minus 9 by 4 x power minus of plus 2. Okay, now we have dash x. I just rearranged it in a proper way to easy to integrate. Now we are integrating. F of x is nothing but integration of f dash x. Okay, 3 by 2 x power of plus 1. Of plus 1 is what? 3 by 2. Divided by 3 by 2. Minus 9 by 4 x power minus of. Minus of plus 1 is of. Plus 2x. Then plus c. Okay, always remember of plus 1 equal to 3 by 2. Minus of plus 1. This are regularly coming. Okay. So 3 by 2 x power 3 by 2. Now just to simplify this 3 by 2, if it goes, it will be cancelled. Okay, x power 3 by 2 minus 9 by 2 x power of plus 2x plus c. Okay, now this is f of x is nothing but y, but the problem is we have the c value. C value we have to eliminate. How to eliminate? They will give one point. Here they have given 4, 9. Here what is the x coordinate? 4. What is the y coordinate? 9. So just to put 9 is equal to 4 power 3 by 2. 4 power 3 by 2 is what? 4 power 1 times 4 power of 4 power 3 by 2 is 8. Minus 9 by 2. 4 power of is square root of 4 is 2 plus 2x 8 plus c. Okay, now 9, add everything, 8, 9 by 2 cross, this will cancel. So 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 plus c. So what is the value of the c? C is equal to 2. Just note down. You found c is equal to 2. When you are writing finally, you just in the f of x, that is y equation, instead of c, you enter 2. This is the answer. Okay, x power f of x is equal to x power 3 by 2 minus 9 by 2 x power of plus 2x plus 2. Okay, the 5 marks we can easily get it. Then the second question, part B, is the normal to the curve at P is parallel to 2y plus x. Find the x coordinate of P. Okay, now here what is the gradient? 2y plus x equal to 0 means y value will be 2y equal to minus x, y value will be minus 1 by 2x. Okay, minus 1 by 2x. But the thing is, they are telling find the normal to the curve at P is, this is parallel. Their normal is parallel to this line. So what is the normal gradient? Normal gradient is also minus 1 by 2. Because normal and this line are parallel. So that gradient is also minus 1 by 2. Okay, find this. They are asking the normal to the curve at P is parallel to 2y plus x. Find the x coordinate. If it is normal is minus 1 over 2, what is the tangent? Tangent, it will be m1, m2 is equal to minus 1, m1 is equal to, we don't know, m2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. This will be minus 1 means m1 is equal to 2. Okay, that is the negative reciprocal. Negative reciprocal is 2. For normal, minus 1 over 2. Okay, now f dash x is the gradient. F dash x is the gradient. So we are doing I will write it later above. You note it down this one. F dash x is equal to 3, we don't know where it is, 3 root x by 2 minus 9 by 4 root x plus 2 is equal to 2. At where? At which coordinate? We don't know. They are asking that coordinate. We found these two by, it is their normal is parallel to this line and the tangent is negative reciprocal. So we found these two from this one. Okay, now find out. Just 3 by 2, 3 root x by 2 minus 9 by 4 root x. This 2, bring it right hand side, 2 minus 2, it will be 0. Okay, next 3 root x by 2 is equal to 9 by 4 root x. Cross multiply. 12x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 over 12. X is equal to 3 over 2. Sometimes they are asking this kind of the questions. They have given dy by dx and they are not giving the x coordinate. You have to find the x coordinate. But what is the value of the gradient? They will give in indirect way. That line is parallel to some line or it is normal to some line. From that you find the gradient and equate with that and you will get the x coordinate. I hope you get it. See you my other videos in P1 questions. Note it down.